Hello, my name is John Biddiscombe. I'm with CSCS, the Swiss Supercomputing Centre, and I'm going to briefly talk about our new machine Piz Daint, which yesterday was confirmed as the #1 machine in Europe and also the #6 in the world. One of the interesting projects we're working on is to make use of the accelerators. The machine has 5,000 nodes, each of which has an NVIDIA GPU inside it. And traditionally, computational scientists have been using the GPUs to do accelerated computations of the standard codes that we all know. But it's been very difficult to also use the GPUs for the traditional usage, which is visualization, using, for example, OpenGL, because the OpenGL facilities were not activated on the GPUs. Now, NVIDIA have been collaborating with Cray and with CSCS to activate the OpenGL features on the chips, so that we can use them not only for the computation but also the visualization. And this opens up a whole new avenue of research and also interactive use of the machine, which we couldn't conceive of before. On the GPUs, we've experimented with a number of applications for doing visualizations, which include neuron visualizations and chemical simulations. And in a moment, we'll go over to one of the screens at the NVIDIA booth, where we have a live simulation running on Piz Daint, coupled to the OpenGL visualization, which we can see happening as it takes place. On this screen here, what you see is a simulation of molecular dynamics running on 64 nodes of Piz Daint using the NAMD solver, and visualization using one of the GPUs that's been enabled for graphics on the same machine. The simulation and the visualization are coupled together, so it's happening live, and this is taking place in Switzerland as we speak. The work was done by collaborators at NVIDIA and also University of Illinois in Urbana-Champaign, and it really shows the advantage of having the GPU enabled for graphics. So no data is saved to disk, nothing is being copied, it's rendered as it happened, and you see these sort of images. In addition to this, we've also enabled ParaView, Visit, and custom OpenGL applications which can run on the same nodes. And the advantage there is that even if we don't do in-situ visualization, we can render the data on the same machine it was generated, on the same scratch file system, so we don't have to copy data and we don't have to mount the file systems on other machines. This is a huge gain for everybody involved.